You know how they say that Jamaicans are aggressive, Jamaicans are rude. Like the running joke is if you go to a Jamaican restaurant, you're not gonna get good service at all, even though the food is gonna be good. And you know, we all kiki, haha, laugh about it, and we move on with our day. Earlier this year, I put out a video along that vein, and I realized that it was not taken as, ooh, kiki, haha. No, people were absolutely offended and, you know, within their right to do so. And I want to take this opportunity to really and truly apologize for any offense that I may have caused. I did not put out that video with ill intent or trying to offend a whole group of people. That's not what the video was about at all. But I definitely see where people could have taken offense for it, and I just want to own that and apologize for any offensive takes that I may have put out into the world. The video is not on my channel anymore. I actually immediately took it down when the comments started to go left, because I realized that it was being taken differently than how I meant it. And so that's something that I'm learning as a content creator too, kind of how to try and package my content to make sure that it is understood exactly how I mean. And so I took it down because I never ever want to be a channel or a source of negativity online. That's, if you watch any of my other videos, you realize that that's not where I'm coming from. And I've never been involved in any kind of little, you know, casts as we would call it, or pettiness, or that's just not me. That's not where I'm coming from. That's never been my platform. And so when I realized that this was going to be a source of that, I immediately took down the video, because that's not what I am on. I know that me depan. So I didn't take down the video for any other reasons. That was really and truly it. Like, that's not me. I'm not trying to be a negative pusher at all. So I realized though that, you know, people did take offense. People did watch it here and take offense to it. And so support is being withdrawn from me for that decision that I did make to put out the video. And I understand that, of course, it is well within your right to no longer see me as someone you want to support because of comments that I made. I'm hoping though that this part of the video reaches the people who were offended, because this apology is coming from my heart. I didn't mean it with ill intent. I truly did not. That was not my intention at all. But you know, I just hope that the apology is received. With all of that said, you know, this whole travel journey, you know, I've been traveling since I was a young child. I think my first journey was when I was 6 years old. But traveling on a vacation and then going back home is different from getting up and living somewhere and, you know, being exposed to other ways of life and things like that. And sometimes we have to be very sensitive and cognizant of differences in our lifestyles, and it's not something to laugh about and make light comments about. And you know, you have to be very aware of your surroundings and know how to live good with people. And so, you know, that is definitely something that travel will expose you to, different ways of life, and it will definitely teach you how to be it will definitely teach you how to like learn how to live and appreciate everybody around you, even within our differences, because you know, coming here to Mexico, living amongst Mexicans and their lifestyle, there were lots of things that I had to learn. And you know, it's been a journey of eye-opening learnings and things like that. And I just want to say, I wish that everybody in this lifestyle, like, I'm so happy that I'm able to give my daughter the opportunity to learn to live somewhere else outside of what she grew up knowing, so that it really opens your mind and broadens your horizon. And mindset is something that, you know, you want to approach this with an open mindset. And I really wish everybody in the world had an opportunity to live somewhere else and see how other people are living, because it really broadens your horizons. As I said, it really kind of opens and changes your mindset and teaches you how to be more compassionate, how to be more loving, how to be more neighborly. And it should teach it all of those things. And I love that aspect of traveling or living somewhere else. Oh, as you can see, it's another early morning, so there's frogs in my throat. When I wake up, I can never talk. But it is a beautiful, beautiful morning here in Merida. it finally seems like the rainy season is starting to go away and we are being left with Merida's version of fall weather. You know, it's nice and cool down here. I want to start incorporating more like maybe morning walks in my routine. I used to go to the gym over at my friend's house, and I want to start incorporating exercise outside in nature so I can get the sunlight and things like that. So I think I'm going to start doing some morning walks. It's also a great way to get more content out because you guys really love the neighborhood walks. So I hope that I start doing that. Oh, child. Now that I put it out there, I really have to go out there and do some morning walks, don't? Like, don't come in the comments and ask me what the video is about. Like, as I said, like, I don't want to be a platform for anything that could be perceived negatively at all. So like, if you were lucky enough to not watch that video, yay. But if you did watch the video and you still want like clarity, you want to have a conversation with me, that is something that I'm truly open to. You can Instagram DM me, or if you see me out in these Merida streets, definitely we can have a conversation about it, and you can be like, what did you mean though? And I'll be happy to like talk about it, because it's not something that I want to shy away from or anything like that. I still think that conversations could be had that could deepen each other's understandings about the topic. But yeah, I never did I come from no place of like bad vibes, like good vibes only over here. So and we are all one people. We're all one people, and I'm still, as big and old as me be, I'm still learning on this journey called life. I'm not too big for say I'm sorry when I offend people or own up to it. All right, so today what we have on the agenda, a few more people have ordered shea butter and I still have some left, so I'm going to package those up and get those out to those people. One person actually watched the video that I put out when I was making the shea butter yesterday, and even before she finished watch the video, she paused the video, found my Instagram link in my description box below. That's always down in the box below if you want to DM me on Instagram to talk more about anything. And she Instagram DM me like, I need one. I actually live here in Merida and I want one now. So I'm going to go downstairs and package up her shea butter and ship that off to her today. What else I have to do? I think I want to also try and make it out to the language exchange group that happens every Wednesday here in Merida, downtown in Central. And Munchkin has a Halloween party with her teen club, her teen group this Friday. So she has decided to be, what's his name again? What is his name again? I can't remember right now. She has decided to be Jimi Hendrix. You know, she's in her guitar rock star era, and I love that for her. So since I'm going down to Central, I'm thinking that I'm going to take her with me earlier in the day before the language exchange, because I don't think she'll want to come to the language exchange. And we're going to peruse the shops in Central, see if we can find like some bell-bottom pants and some those big fringe shirts that Jimi Hendrix was known for. She has the afro going on already, so we're going to try and find a good celebrity costume outfit for her. Let us see if we can go downtown and actually finally get out of the house and do some things today. I don't know if all of that's going to be in this vlog. I just kind of wanted to put out a video this morning because, you know, we're doing daily videos over here until something pop off for me. So this is just part one of today's vlog, today's video, and I'm letting you know what's to come. I want to say that this Halloween party is made possible by an anonymous donation that I received in my PayPal account yesterday. I am filled with so much gratitude. I just kind of want to say thank you so much to the person that blessed me yesterday. You have no idea how much it means to me that there are random strangers rooting for me in such a big way. Like everybody who, even if all you do is watch the video, you drop a heart in the comment section down below, it all counts. But yesterday I received a random donation of a nice sizable change, enough so that I can pay some of my bills. And I was just like, what? People out here do these kind of things? It was like, I think DoorDash has a video on her channel where she titles it, "This kind of thing does not happen to me." I can't tell the last time that I had just a random blessing like this, and it just felt so good. Like when I think I was on the road when I initially saw the notification come in, and so I kind of saw it from PayPal, and I was just like, what is this? Because I'm not expecting anything to come in. So I saw it, and I was like, awesome. So I came inside, and I sat down on my bed, and I dig into it, and I said, let me look and see what this is. And I saw the amount, and I saw anonymously sending you encouragement, keep going. And I just sat down on the bed for a good 10 minutes straight, just staring at it and just being in gratitude, thanking the Father up above that he would touch someone else to be like, here is a little thing. Mr. say I struggle, and I want to make things a little bit lighter for you. I can't say thank you enough. Like, I cannot say thank you enough. And I cannot wait to be in a position to do the same for myself. We have a furniture store in Jamaica. In the Caribbean. I think they're Caribbean wide. It's called Courts Jamaica. And you know how you go out and you take your furniture out on hire purchase. What do you call hire purchase in other parts of the world? I think not layaway, because layaway is where you pay it and then you collect the item when you finish. It's just credit, I guess, regular credit. So, and you know, when you get furniture on credit, you're paying like 3 times the cost. So I have definitely been one of those persons. That's how I furnished my house when I was in my 20s, because nobody who has the money to buy a whole couch and a whole bedroom set just one go. So so you know, you take out your furniture and you look at goods them on hire purchase, as we call it in Jamaica, and you have them at home. And sometimes you're broke and have no money to pay the money, and then I call down your house, I call down your phone to say, come pay me my money, or I come take back my furniture. And you're fretting now because you know one of them come and your neighbor them say they will come take back their furniture. I've just always had it in me. There are 2 main things that have always been dreams of mine. I've always said that I want to be blessed enough one day to go into courts 1 December and pay off everybody's hire purchase bill. Like, just give everybody, random strangers, that Christmas gift of, here, you don't have no payments to make to courts for this month. Use it to do something else. Can you imagine waking up to such a surprise? You're going to a furniture store for to pay a bill, and them tell us, no man, it take care already. And you actually have the money, so now you can do it to use it to something else. Or you're a dodge from court, you're a dodge the bailiff call. You know that they're calling you, and you don't have the money, and there's no call that's coming in this December because some random stranger has already paid off your bill. I've just always wanted to be one of those people. The second dream and goal of mine that I've always had is that I know that there are some communities in Jamaica that have schools. They're so rural that they have schools that are still using like outside bathrooms, like pit latrine bathrooms. I've always wanted to help to renovate or build bathroom. Like, children should be able to go in, clean, safe, hygienic environments. And so I've always wanted to start to be a part of whatever projects that build bathrooms for schools and make our communities safer for our kids, because you have to invest in the children from them are young so that they can grow up and be I don't know, a valuable part of society, or whatever the case may be. But that those 2 things have always sat on my heart for probably about 20 years now, and I just know that it's going to come to me. It is still going to come to me, and I will be able to bless others that way. And this blessing that I received just kind of reminded me that yes, these random things do happen. Look, it happened to me too. And so I cannot wait for the day that I can bless others. And I've always been a giver. And they say that if you can't do the big things, make sure that you start from what you have. So I've always tried to do what I have, wherever I am. So, the Hurricane Milton just passed in the Yucatan here, and there are some communities that have been affected very, very, they need things. And so I've seen discussions in some of the groups going around how to help, and I reached out to one of the people who are coordinating help so that I can be a part of that, because I always want to be a part of making our community better, and wherever I am is my community. So I want to help in whatever way I can. So this will help me to help in that way. This blessing that I received, I definitely want to still, as whatever I can do, as small as it may be, I still want to help in whatever way I can. I just wanted to like say that I am so grateful that people see the good in me and know that I am and will always be a working project. And thank you. That's all I have for this video. And today I will still be filming. As I said, we are finally going on the road to do a lot of things today. So tomorrow's video, we will be outside. Look forward to that. I can't wait. But for now, I'm gonna go downstairs and get these people's shea butter ready. So let me go do that.